In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the paint options that are shared between tools on the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left side, select Tool Options. And then on the right side, where it says Paint Options Shared Between Tools, you can customize this however you want. And then once you're done, in order to save the preferences, you will need to select OK to confirm. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.